Today, we're going to show you how to make your very own solar critter. Inside the kit, you'll find a quick start guide and all your components, including solar cells, googly eyes, self-sticking motors, foam tape pieces, double-sided critter cards, and a roll of 1/4-inch maker tape. You'll provide your own scissors and crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Choose your favorite critter body. Color it in with your favorite colors. And cut it out. Now we'll assemble the solar circuit. You will need to connect the motor wires to the solder points on the solar cell. Peel the backing from the self-stick motor and stick it to the underside of the solar cell. Cut 2 small pieces of maker tape and use them to tape down the motor wires onto the silver-colored solder points. Take a piece of double-sided foam tape and peel the backing off one side. Stick it down to the underside of the solar cell. Either horizontal or vertical is fine. To test, go outside and face the solar cell towards direct sunlight. You'll feel the motor start vibrating. Now that we know that the circuit works, we'll assemble it onto the critter body. Peel the remaining backing off the foam tape and press the entire solar circuit in place on top of the critter body so that it sits over the printed rectangle. Pick 3 or 4 rattle feet. You might know these as googly eyes. Peel off the backing and stick 3 or 4 on the underside of the critter. Place it on a smooth surface in direct sunlight and watch it go. Congratulations! You just built your own solar critter. The Solar Critters Kit by Brown Dog Gadgets. Like and subscribe to this channel for more great projects, and come visit us at browndoggadgets.com.